Hi guys, this is your boy Chino from Quest, the official publication of Guild, CSB Game Dev, and we are here with Kristel Cua. And first question po sa inyo, paano ka naman na-involve sa streaming and gaming dito sa gaming in general?
Starting nung bata pa lang ako, mahilig na ako maglaro ng games. Like, I started from PS1 and then hanggang sa napunta ako sa PC. Then I started playing online games. Start pa nun MMORPGs like Flive, Ragnarok, and then naging Dota, League, mga games.
Siyempre, hindi naman natin makakalimutan yung classic Ragnarok. So, ngayon, as involved ka sa gaming, sa tingin mo, how could gaming can impact here in the Philippines?
Right now, nasa infancy stage pa lang yung gaming and esports, especially yung streaming. So, nakikita ko parang in a few years from now, magiging super laki din magiging super laki ng industry and yung community around gaming plus streaming. So, yun.
So, siguro in the few years, lalaki pa yung esports industry dito sa Pilipinas. So, last question. Nasa PGF tayo. Ano naman pinagkakaabalaan mo dito?
Actually, dumaan lang ako para mag-hi sa friends ko, mga cosplayers din na nandyan.
That's all for us. And thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Kitz Cua. I'm a streamer and cosplayer. You can check out my channel on twitch.tv/KitzCua and also my Facebook page, facebook.com/KitzCua. Shoutouts to Rumble Royale and my community Kitz Squad. Hi guys, I'm inviting you all to join us here in PGF